Welcome online dignitaries and fellow lions to this 10th edition of GST Motivational Webinar. Today, again, we have between us a very dynamic, popular leader and a great leadership trainer right from Mumbai, Madam Ruchita Mehra. Madam, I would like to inform you that we have been organizing this GST webinar every month since the start of this linistic year. And we have been organizing this webinar on various interesting and educational topics under our able leadership of our district governor and GST coordinator. And each GST webinar is a great learning session for each one of us. Now, without wasting time, I would request our GST coordinator, line Pankajji Poddar, to please start today's session. Pankajji, over to you.
Good evening, all of you.
Good evening, Pankaj.
Amchi, Mumbai. Madam, I welcome you to the Northeast land of Ma Kamakhya in our great district 322G. We all the 3,668 land members welcome you amidst us, and you being the trainer of trainers of international level, I am sure that our GST services till now we have completed, we the Lions and Leos of District 322G has completed 14.6 lakhs people served.
15.6, sir.
14.6 lakhs people in our district. And it is a record-breaking services we the Lions have put forward. Madam, I am very happy and glad to see you here amongst us, because I am sure this 10th edition of GST motivational seminar to be led by you will put an imprint on the Lions of District 322G, and the way that we are moving with each and every GST motivational webinar and in our district, what we have done, madam, this year, that we are organizing one district, one activity, small activities for the needy people. And we all the 88 clubs of our district are organizing one need-based service. At least all the smaller clubs and the clubs of our district are happy that they have been given a direction by the district to do something for the needy people. Madam, this was the information which I have to put forward as a GST coordinator, keeping our head high of the district before you. I once again welcome you and request our district governor, our dynamic district governor, royal and romantic Rajkumar Ringania, to address and give the opening remarks on behalf of our district 322G. Over to district governor.
Thank you very much. Fantastic. I always say the GST coordinator of our district 322G, ma'am. Thank you very much. Today is a big day, ma'am, for all the Lions of District 322G. Today we have a leader and the personality like Ruchika ma'am is with us in our district virtually. And with the blessing of Ma Kamakhya in time to comes, definitely by in person, that definitely she will be in our district. And definitely we are waiting for the day. Ma'am, today I was just, वो कहते हैं ना कि आपकी पहचान, मैं कहता हूँ आपकी पहचान अपने आप में, आपका नाम ही आपकी पहचान है मैडम. तो डेफिनेटली ये कहना चाहूंगा कि टुडे वी हैव द ग्रेट ओरेटर, a very popular international man leader, specialist learning and development from Mumbai mein. So this is a big day that I always said that for the district 322 Lions today, we have the personality like Ruchika ma'am is with us. So I welcome on behalf of each and every Lions of my district 322G to Ruchika ma'am. Welcome in the land of Ma Kamakhya. And once I already said that you have to come in person, by definitely you have to come in person in Guwahati city, because once you have joined, might be virtually in virtual platform, you should come, you have to become in Guwahati, and definitely in time to come, definitely we will meet in Guwahati in person, ma'am. And ma'am, regarding the district, as I already that discussed, and our GST coordinator told you the history about our district and everything you know, because that is all our LCI is our directory. Everyone, that is our mirror, that we can see everything in the mirror. So that need not to say about our district, because with the blessings of all the past district governors, our past district our past district governors and our leaders, district governor, the Y district governor 1, Y district governor 2, and all my team, ZC, RC, IRC, that is RGST, RGLT, RGMT, each and every president, secretary, treasurer of our great district, and the members of my great district. On behalf of that, I again welcome you. And today is the day of our Ruchika ma'am, and definitely all are waiting to listen our ma'am. So definitely I want to conclude just my request to the Pankaj Podar, our GST, to please invite our Vice District Governor 1, Line Subankar Sen sir, to say something about our Ruchika ma'am. Line Subankar Sen sir.
Yes, friends.
Subankar sir.
Before going for the going about the Ruchika ma'am, I'll request our Vice District Governor 1, Subankar Sen, to please speak few words.
Thank you, Pankaj. Thank you, District Governor, for giving me the opportunity to speak a few words in this 10th edition of GST seminar. Actually, I am very much preoccupied because district conference is knocking at the door, and I have to plan accordingly as I am the first BDG now. But I could not miss this session because of Madam Ruchita Mehra. Regarding this faculty, actually I had hand-on experience about Madam Ruchita Mehra. In the year 2013, I was one of the participants of Advanced Alliance Leadership Institute, popularly known as ALLI, in Mumbai. And Madam was one of the faculties, and she took 2 sessions in this 3 days program. And each and every sessions of her is still vivid in my mind. One particular incident I want to share with you, friends. Whenever she used to take the session, she wanted the session to be interactive, and she wanted to participate to speak. And for that, she used to motivate the participants by offering a small Cadbury's chocolate. She used to tell, if anybody respond, I will give 1 chocolate to him or her. And eventually I got many chocolates. I used to respond. And actually I don't like chocolate, but the chocolate I received from Madam Ruchita Mehra in these 2 sessions, wo jo mithas jo chocolate ka hai, abhi bhi mera muh mein laga hua hai. So Madam, welcome to District 322G. Without wasting time, we should hear from the horse's mouth. Let's hear from the blockbuster speaker of today's session, Lion Ruchita Mehra. Thank you.
So friends, now it is the time. I have seen Lion B.S. Rathore, our VDG 2, amongst us. I will request him to please address in very shortest speech. I welcome B.S. Rathore, sir. Rathore ji. Okay, friends. Now it's time.
Hello.
Rathore ji, please.
Ruchika ma'am and GST coordinator, District Governor BDG 1 and Cabinet Secretary. I'm really very happy to be in this seminar since Ruchika ma'am has come. और मुझे मालूम है कि ज्ञान की जो मोती वो मतलब हमको देंगे, हमें चुगने का बहुत अच्छा अवसर मिला है और मैं उनका बहुत तहे दिल से स्वागत करता हूं। और हमारी नगरी में पधारी हैं, इसलिए मां कामाख्या का आशीर्वाद उनके ऊपर है और मैं बहुत एक्सपेक्ट कर रहा हूं कि आज रुचिका मैम हमें जरूर कुछ ज्ञान ध्यान की बातें बताएंगी जो हमारे आने वाले समय में हमें भरसक सहयोग और भरपूर हमें आगे बढ़ने का हौसला अफजाई करेगा। Thank you, Mai, for being with us. Thank you, Pankaj, for giving me this chance.
Thank you, Rathorji. Now, friends, let me introduce keynote speaker of today's evening, Ruchita Mehra ji. Friends, let me first give her the abbreviation RM, which stands for Real Motivator. The name is synonym. The abbreviations are synonym. RM Ruchita Mehra, Real Motivator. Friends, she is a graduate in Human Resource Management, an aesthetician from Zurich, a NLP practitioner, soft skill and outbound trainer, an image consultant and facilitator. She is the trainer not only for Lions Clubs International, but also for JC's International. She is a Leo turned lion. She joined Leoism in the year 1988-89. Since 1991, she is a Lion member. She is the past president of Vasant Vihar Lions Club. I am glad to inform you that she is the recipient of 2016 Woman of Worthiness, an award for women achievers across the nation. She was a freelance corporate soft skill trainer and an image consultant. She strongly emphasizes in life, you don't get a second chance. Create the first impression. She is the trainer of Lions Clubs International of our association. She is supervisor of the Leadership Development Institutes and Seminar for 2 constitutional areas, India, South Asia, Middle East, and Africa. She is motivated by her spouse, past District Governor MJF Rajesh Mehra. They both were invited as a special panelist in the DGE seminar at Chicago Convention. Her son, Leo Abhishek Mehra, a Leo Lion from Leo Club of Garodia and Lion member of Hilltop. Her daughter-in-law, Madhuram Iyer Mehra, a practicing sports psychologist. She is settled in Australia. So friends, now may I invite real motivator, Ruchita Mehra ji, to please address the house and motivate the Lions to do more and more, to serve more and more, for which we the Lions are known, we serve. Over to Madam Ruchita Mehra ji. Welcome, Madam. Now the floor is yours.
Welcome, ma'am.
Thank you so much. Thank you very much. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया, Governor Sir, Pankaj ji, for organizing this wonderful event. और सबसे पहले तो मैं ये पूछना चाहूंगी सबसे कि would you prefer English or Hindi? आप मुझे chat box English, okay fine. English. चलिए दोनों mix कर देंगे.
Hindi and English.
We will mix both. Both.
Yeah, will better, yeah.
Surely. ये मेरे लिए भी थोड़ा आसान रहेगा because I think in English, so it becomes a little more easier for me. So thank you so much. Thank you very much for having me here. And I always feel that to talk to Lions about service is something which is sometimes I wonder if it is necessary, because if we ask any lion कि आप हमसे क्यों जुड़े हैं, okay, let me just ask all of you, why did you become a lion? Can you please write in the chat box? Fellowship and service. Thank you, Rishabh ji. Sorry. To serve. To serve the humanity. To serve, to serve, to serve. So everybody is here to serve. So when you have already determined yourself to give back to the society, how else do you think you need to be motivated to serve? So let me first break this. I'm not here to motivate you. I'm here to be motivated by you. I want to know from you, आप लोग किस तरह से करते हैं, आप लोग क्या करते हैं, how do you transform life, how do you touch lives? After God, it's only those people who go and help others are the creators, are the creators of a better life, are the creators of happiness, are the creators of joy all around the world. And that, my friend, is you as a lion. So, more than telling you how to do it, I'm here to learn how you do it. And as rightly said, I would like to talk less. I would like to hear more. So हम ये जो चैट बॉक्स है हमारा, हम इसका बहुत ज़्यादा इस्तेमाल करना चाहेंगे. और इस नोट पे मैं एक बहुत ही जो सच्चा ओपिनियन दिया गया है मुझे, अरिंदम जी ने मुझसे शेयर किया है. थैंक यू फॉर शेयरिंग दैट, अरिंदम जी. एंड ही सेज दैट ही जॉइंड लायनिज्म बिकॉज ही वाज फोर्स्ड टू जॉइन. दैट इज सच एन ऑनेस्ट कन्फेशन. लेकिन now are you happy being here even when you were forced earlier, Arindam ji?
Yes, madam.
Thank
Yes,
you.
I'm very happy.
He is our district cabinet treasurer.
So I'm so happy to learn that. I'm so happy to learn that. But एक बात है, even if you are invited or you are forced only if somebody sees some humanity in you. No lion would invite other lion if they know that they don't want to do anything for anybody else. Unless you do something for someone else, the human in you is not present, I feel, because for themselves, only doing for themselves is an animal instinct, but only doing for others it comes very easy for humans. And lions are many such humans who want to give back to the society. So yes, congratulations for being one. आज जो हम बात करना मैं आपसे चाहूंगी, it's more about how leadership can help you with service, because this series has been going on for a long time. You've had some fantastic speakers, like the opening batsman for you was PIT AP Singh, and I am always in awe of him because he is such a wonderful researcher and an excellent speaker. So what really attracts me to his speeches is his research. वो जो बात करते हैं उसका जो basis होता है वो, I can tell you one thing, that if you hear him speak, it would be the first time that you are hearing that idea. So that is something that he brings, that value addition is there when you give that 30 minutes or 60 minutes of listening to him. So when you've had such speakers, I'm sure you've had many other ways in which you can serve the society, many other ways in which you can do it differently from how others are doing it. So what I am going to be talking to you today about is what I do the best, telling you about learning and development and how training can help enhance service. So are we ready to get on to that journey? If you are,
Yes.
just type one Y and send it in the chat box. Today, nobody is going to sit idle. Chat box का हम बहुत use करने वाले हैं. So I think we are 60 of us in this group. So I want to see at least 59 Ys coming up quickly. Because मैं खुद तो टाइप नहीं करने वाली हूँ. Great. Okay, so since we are ready, I would just go ahead and share my screen. Please tell me once you can see my screen.
Yes, it is start. Yes, we can see it.
Perfect. Thank you so much. So what I'm going to be talking to you about is how learning or training can help in improving our services. So पहले तो हम इस पे ज्यादा हम बात करें उससे पहले मैं ये जानना चाहूंगी कि क्या आप समझते हैं कि ट्रेनिंग हमें हेल्प कर सकती है हमारी सर्विस बेटर करने के लिए. Again, chat box, please type a yes if you agree. I don't know why I can't see the chat box. Maybe it's hidden. So then I will need somebody's help. Pankaj, if you can help me, what
Yes,
what
madam.
is
There are so
everybody
many
saying?
yes.
Oh, great.
So many yes.
चलो, my half of my work is done. ये आपने तो मेरे लिए बहुत आसान कर दिया.
मैम एक बार आप स्क्रीन शेयरिंग स्टॉप करके फिर ऑन करेंगे ना, आ जाएगा चैट बॉक्स.
Okay, मतलब मुझे लग रहा है कि ये इसके पीछे छुप गया होगा. So I will.
Madam, we will help. You just continue.
Okay, I will just pop out the chat box and then I will now share the screen again. I hope that works.
Yes, yes, that will work.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Perfect. Yeah. Great. So since you agree, I just want to say कि why training? मतलब training से हमें क्या मिलता है? If when we are training for three things. I feel one is कि हम information देना चाहते हैं. We need to give information. So service is such a wide thing that I'm sure that we definitely need a lot of information about service. Strengthening the skills to is something that we train for. And I think it totally relates. हम जिस तरह से service करना चाहते हैं, we need to keep on changing. We need to keep abreast with the changing times and the changing needs. Do you agree with me or not? क्योंकि लोगों की जो ज़रूरतें हैं, the way that the needs change of the society, of the community, उस तरह से अगर हम अपना सर्व करने का तरीका skillful नहीं बनाएंगे, so then we might go extinct for a while. And I'm sure this is something that every speaker before me would have resonated, that we need to keep up with the times if we want to be a successful NGO. And the other thing that we need training for is to learn about the tools and resources that are available to us. Am I right or am I right?
Right.
So ये सारी चीजों के लिए ट्रेनिंग हमें चाहिए होती है. And for sure, when we want to serve the society in a way that it really benefits it, we need to have all the skills to give back to the society. So training is something that आजकल हर चीज के लिए जरूरी हो गई है. हमारे पास पहले से ही थी. It's not that we don't believe in training, because अगर हम ट्रेनिंग में बिलीव ना करते होते तो हम अपने बच्चों को स्कूल ना भेजते. हम तो उसको बेचारे को बड़ा भी नहीं होने देते हैं. 1.5 साल का हुआ नहीं, 1.5 साल. Imagine a child cannot even sometimes talk properly, but as soon as the child is of 1.5 years, we send the child to play group. Why? सीखेगा. सो ये सीखने का जो एक अपॉर्चुनिटी ह्यूमंस को है फॉर्मल एजुकेशन की, तो दैट वी डेफिनेटली रिस्पेक्ट. लेकिन बड़े होते होते हम कहीं ना कहीं इसे पीछे छोड़ आते हैं. हम समझते हैं कि हमने कॉलेज कर लिया, हमारी पढ़ाई खत्म हो गई, बिजनेस शुरू कर लिया, अब हमें ट्रेनिंग की कोई जरूरत नहीं है, अब हमें लर्निंग की कोई जरूरत नहीं है. लेकिन अगर हमें जिंदगी में ग्रो करना है, इफ वी वांट टू achieve something that we haven't achieved yesterday, then we need to upskill ourselves, we need to do something differently. और ये सोसाइटी को वापस करने के लिए, कम्युनिटी को वापस करने के लिए भी इट इज वेरी एसेंशियल दैट वी शिफ्ट आवर पैराडिम. हम हमारा एटीट्यूड चेंज करें, हम हमारा स्किल सेट चेंज करें, और सबसे पहले तो हम ये जाने कि सोसाइटी को चाहिए क्या है. टू गेट दैट इंफॉर्मेशन, हाउ टू गेट दैट इंफॉर्मेशन, वी नीड टू गेट इंफॉर्मेशन फ्रॉम वी आर ट्रेनिंग. सो ट्रेनिंग इज एक ऐसा पहलू है कि आप जिस तरह से आप कम्युनिटी को वापस दे रहे हैं, वो हर चीज आपको चेंज करा देता है, आपको ट्रांसफॉर्म कर देता है. और यदि हम ये ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन अब हमारी जिंदगी में नहीं लेके आए, आफ्टर 103 years, if we keep on giving the society what we have kept on giving, I don't think the society is going to need us. I don't think the community is going to need us. And somewhere they will say, okay, tata bye bye. हम अपनी जरूरतें इससे आप जो दे रहे हैं उससे तो हम बहुत ज्यादा अच्छी कर सकते हैं. So going ahead, so are you with me till now? If you are, just give me a thumbs up if you know, or else give me a Y in the chat box. अच्छा, आप में से कितनों को पता है कि आप यहाँ पे इमोटिकॉन्स भी शेयर कर सकते हैं? क्लैपिंग हैंड, थम्स अप, हाई फाई. If you are aware, if you can quickly share me high five on. Okay, I got some thumbs up, claps. Okay, good. थोड़ा interesting होना चाहिए, नई चीजें. Okay, great. Lots of thumbs up, lots of high five, clapping. Thank you so much. Thank you very much for being so interactive. चलिए फिर आगे बढ़ाते हैं हम थोड़ा सा हमारा कारवां कि हमें सर्विस के लिए क्या चाहिए. What is it that we need for serving the society? I want to know some of your ideas कि हमें क्या चाहिए सोसाइटी को वापस देने के लिए. What is it that we need to serve? Please give me some of your ideas in the chat box. Yes, we need money. We need love. Yes.
We need time, talent, intelligence, money.
Absolutely. We need all of those.
Energy.
Yes. Dedication.
Training.
Well, I'm glad you recognize that. Thank you. Resources and knowledge. Will to serve. So very true. Passion. Very right. Very right. Education, dedication, energy. Okay, I think, see, that's why I said you have heard so many good speakers. Let us see what we have on our chart. First and foremost is the willingness to give. And what is it that you should be willing to give? Do you want to give people what you don't want? Is my question to you. क्या आप लोगों को वो देना चाहेंगे? मोटिवेशन, टीम वर्क, गुड हार्ट, थैंक यू सो मच. क्या आप लोगों को वो देना चाहेंगे जो आपको नहीं चाहिए? No, correct. So willingness to give what is very dear to our heart, willingness to give what is something that they need, and willingness to give even when we know we can never have that back. Something like time. अगर हम किसी को वक्त देते हैं, वो गया हुआ वक्त हमारी जिंदगी में कभी वापस नहीं आता. But we lions are willing to give even that. Money, yes. Money is something that we can earn back. लेकिन वो भी जरूरी है देने के लिए. पर सबसे ज्यादा जरूरी है कि हम उनको वो देना चाहें जो उनको चाहिए. And very importantly, हम कैसे देते हैं. That is something that determines a giving for show off or a giving out of compassion. Please change the way that you give to the society. Your willingness to give is much appreciated, but the way that you give is also equally important. क्या आप उन्हें देकर किसी को भी कोई भी चीज देकर, चाहे वो अपना वक्त हो, क्या आप जताना चाहते हैं, या क्या आप उन्हें देखकर बस ये कहना चाहते हैं there is someone for you who cares? So these are two different things. So be very mindful when you are willing to give, but how you give. That is very, very important. Second very important thing that I feel, क्योंकि आपने सबने बहुत सारी बातें कही हैं, and a lot of thing is based on my willingness to give, my motivation to give, my money to give, my passion to give, my dedication to give. तो ये सब चीजें जो है is focused on me as a giver, me as a community worker. लेकिन बहुत ज्यादा जरूरी है हमें when we want to do some service that we understand what they need assessment. How many of you have heard this word before? If you have heard this word before, please write need
Yes.
in the chat box. Just
Yes.
write need, NEED, in the chat box.
Yes.
Great. Thank you. Yes. So if we don't have a need assessment before we go and give to the society, whatever you give is a waste. कल हम ये projects करते थे कि we used to go and give notebooks to the schools, we used to give pencils and erasers, और वो सब kit हम देते थे. लेकिन आज के वक्त में वो irrelevant है, उसके कोई मायने नहीं रखते. Why? Because even the schools that are run by municipality are now so tax savvy. They also have interactive boards now. That is something that the government has provided them. So it has become of not that importance कि भाई हमारे पास अगर book, pencil, eraser नहीं है तो हम school में कुछ कर ही नहीं सकते. So needs keep on changing, needs keep on evolving because communities go on evolving. So our giving also has to evolve. Let's look at, we need to be aware of the projection. How many of us work at projection? Because we definitely work at the projection of the budget. But do we really take time and pen down what is the workload that we will have? What is the timeline that we'll have? What are the phases that we might have for this particular project that we are doing? Are you really doing it? If you are doing it, please write I am. And please be truthful. I mean, it is, ये किसी और को दिखाने के लिए नहीं है, ये सिर्फ आप अपने आप के लिए ही ये जवाब दे रहे हैं. So it doesn't matter if you're not doing it. Now you will be doing it. I'm more happy about it. Thank you, Vanna ji, for being so truthful. I am sometimes, Pankaj ji. Thank you. I am Tapas Sen. That's great, amazing. There are many I am. I'm happy for that too. Thank you, Sharmila ji. So yes, it is very important because when we are not doing this, we are missing out a lot on the completion of a project because we did not time properly, because we did not budget properly. एक बार शुरू करने के बाद पता चलता है ओ इसमें तो बहुत ज्यादा काम है. So we miss out, we back out, और फिर वो हमारा project complete नहीं हो पाता. And what happens? अगर हम एक शुरू कर देते हैं प्रोजेक्ट और कहीं ना कहीं कंप्लीट नहीं होता है, what is affected? What is at stake? The image of Lions. The image of Lions Clubs International, because you are the brand ambassador for Lions Clubs International. So unless हम जैसे हम किसी भी बिजनेस में कोई प्रोजेक्ट करने जा रहे हैं तो कैसे हम एक प्रोजेक्शन देते हैं कि ये 1 महीने के बाद ये होगा, 2 महीने के बाद ये होगा, 3 महीने के बाद ये होगा. So why don't we so professionally handle our projects? Because this is an interface for us to project ourselves as community leaders to the community. So we need to get in professionalism now when we are giving back to the society, which was not happening yesterday. So it is very important that we bring this in. What do you think should be the next step that we should be mindful of? If you can just quickly share. अगर कोई ऐसी चीज है जो हम समझते हैं कि हमें ये ध्यान में रखना चाहिए बिफोर वी आर गिविंग टू द सोसाइटी. You can unmute yourself because I see you're very disciplined. एक के बाद एक ही बोल रहे हैं. I'm very happy to see that. Budgeting, need, follow up. Yes, follow up is very, very important. Okay. Because of time restrictions, I will just go ahead and the sustainability of the project. Before even you start doing, you also need to project कि ये कितना सस्टेन कर पाएंगे हम. परमानेंट प्रोजेक्ट हर कोई बोलता है परमानेंट प्रोजेक्ट करो, लेकिन क्या ये परमानेंट प्रोजेक्ट आपके क्लब के लिए सस्टेनेबल है? You have 10 lions who are very dedicated this year, who promise to take care of the project for 3 years. But do you have lions who are ready to take care of that project after 3 years? How long can you sustain that project? So these are some of the things that you need to keep in mind before even you start doing a project. And that is the reason that once you are trained to do a project well, and these are some of the things that I am sharing with you just to bring about the importance of training for service. And then I'm going to share with you what are the things that you can train yourself on. Okay, so sustainability is something which is very, very important. I would just like to time check once. Are we on till 8:30? Udaji?
Yes, ma'am. No problem.
Pankaj ji?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's
Okay.
It's
Yeah,
okay,
yeah.
ma'am.
Yeah, I'm just taking a time check. Thank you so much. Okay. So after that, we need to review. This is the follow-up that you said, Vandana ji. Thank you so much. The follow-up, the review. Are we going and revisiting the project? क्या हम ये जानने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं कि अब ये project का क्या हो रहा है? How is it now? Does it need to upgrade itself? Do we need to build on to this project? Do we need to build down on this project? हमने समझिए हमने कोई एक project किया, say a medical center. Okay, a medical center that we did, and we had that time because there is someone who's, can you just mute them please, organizer? So we set up a TB detection unit. ठीक है, तो उस time पे वो बहुत relevant था for that particular area. Okay, now you see that you don't get any more TB cases because it is a permanent project. You need to constantly review. Okay, last month we didn't have any TB patient. This month we don't have any TB patient. 6 months we don't have any TB patient. Then you need to rethink. Do we need to downscale and add some other thing to that project? So these are the kinds of review that you need to keep on doing when you are doing any project or any interaction with the society. And then, as I already said, you need to rebuild on that. You need to rebuild on what the project is. So either upscale or downscale, but you always constantly need to revisit. So I want to ask you again one question. Some of it you have already answered in terms of soft skills. What are the things that you need to train yourself on? But again, I would like to ask you, what are the trainings that you think are beneficial? तो ये आपके GLT अगर यहाँ पर है तो उनके लिए भी एक इशारा होगा कि these are the things that people want from you. So please share, what do you think are the trainings that would help you to serve the community better? I already saw somebody share a team building, teamwork, team building. So definitely having to build a team to work for the project is a very important thing. So I want you to share some more things that you think would be beneficial for you if you are trained on it.
Ma'am, we have with us our GLT, ma'am.
Oh,
Mandira
great.
ji with us. Yeah.
Yes, perfect.
GLT, GMT, GLT, all are with us. Yeah.
All are here. Amazing. Educated leadership. This is amazing. I really loved it, Sanjay ji. Thank you so much. What else? What else do you think? What training do you think you should have that could benefit you? How many of you have visited the Lions Learning Center? Project planning and report preparation. Amazing, Arindam ji. Thank you.
Ma'am, this year we are in the highest in our multiple because we have completed 165 LLC from our district.
As in individual users.
Yes, individual.
Oh,
and
fantastic.
I suppose 35 or 30% have completed all the courses. That is the
Oh,
beauty of it.
fantastic,
And
fantastic.
2 courses that this year we have the target to complete 2 courses from our district. 165 leaders have completed that in 28 days.
Oh, fantastic.
That is the way. Yeah.
Very nice, very nice. Yes, Mandira ji. You are lucky to have a coordinator like Mandira ji. Okay, what else? What else? So, या तो आपको कोई need नहीं है. You feel you are a pro at doing service and you don't need devotion to learn. Okay. So, how can we teach a devotion to love? I'm saying, what are the trainings that you need? Like, for sure, I can understand team building is one. How about servant leadership? Do you think if you learn about servant leadership, that will help you?
Madam, what is servant
Okay.
leadership?
All right. Who can I know who is asking this question?
I, Pankaj Poddar.
Pankaj ji, we have a course on Lions Learning Center on servant leadership. I invite you to please take that course. That is just a
Okay.
course that tells you about a leadership that puts other before yourself. You are a leader, but even a leadership that promotes other leadership. And it is beautifully gives the characteristic of a leader who tells himself to be a servant leadership. Can you name one leader to me right now in the chat box who has always been promoting service leadership and he says that I am a practitioner of service leadership?
Ma'am, our international president.
Perfect.
Past
What's his
international president. Yes.
No,
Our Prime
past.
Minister also.
So, sorry, our international president. Yeah.
Present,
Second year
present.
Is, present,
His second year.
Second year is continuing. Yes. Ma'am. Yeah.
Right. Management and leadership. Yes, Neeruji,
Yes.
definitely. I agree. These are two things that you definitely need to have. So I'm so glad that all of you are visiting the Lions Learning Center. And now I would just like to ask you if you are aware of these online tools that are specifically built to help you serve the society. Okay, I'm sure a few of them you would be aware of, but I just would like to still ask you. Community need assessment, and this everybody has anyway told that yes, they are aware of this tool. So we have project planners and we have ample of project ideas. Are you aware of this fact? If you are, just write PP for project planners in the chat box. And if you're not, you write a no. That's fine.
Maybe in our last webinar, Mirza sir has completed in the community needs.
Community need
It's very nice.
assessment.
Yes, very nice.
Yes.
But again, okay, sir, it's very important. Yeah.
It is
Yeah,
very
yes,
important.
yes.
See, this gives us
Yes.
a very scientific and logical way of approaching the
And the
community.
need of the hour today is because this
Yes.
we are doing services is required to see
Correct.
that whether we are doing the according to the need. Yeah.
Correct. Totally agree.
Yes.
Now, project planners and project ideas. I would invite you whenever I'm just saying something. I'm sure you all are aware of the search button on our website. So if you don't know where to find it, I will still tell you where to find all these things. But the easiest way is if you type project planner and search, it is going to take you there. It is a beautiful document that will ask you questions, and by answering, you are going to do all the projections that we just spoke about the sustainability, about the budget, about the time demand on the project, about the skill requirement for project planning, about the number of workforce required. Everything this planner is going to take you through, and by end of it you are going to be amazed the way that you are so confident to go and launch that project. Also in the project ideas, you will see, so you are aware that we are requesting for the success stories. And when we hear about these stories, there are so many things, because हम लोग जो अभी फिलहाल जी रहे हैं, fortunately because of this pandemic, we have come out of the well. But still, we have come out of the well only when communication is concerned. We still don't know much about what is happening in other parts of the world where service is concerned. You know, communities there are so smaller and so close knit, and they are doing a lot of personalized service. Like अगर हम यहाँ पे कहते हैं कि we will make a garden, so what are we doing? That is actually a checkbook project for us, right? We just pay those people and they will come and make the whole garden, they will put the equipments. Whereas if there are so many areas where the lions would come together and build the garden for others. आप सोचिए, if there is such an involvement of the members, would any member ever think of leaving? Would we ever have to worry about retention? When you get involved in a project, when जब हम अपने हाथ गंदे करते हैं कोई प्लांट को बोने के लिए ना, फिर वो प्लांट को बड़े होते देखने का जो मजा है ना, वो रेडीमेड पॉट बाहर से आके लेके रख दिया और ठीक है रोज थोड़ा सा पानी, वो लगाव ही नहीं होता है. There is no connection, there is no bonding with that project. And because we are not forming this bond, we are not giving them this experience of what is giving back to the community, because people come here with an idea of service, and finally they, what happens is they just see checkbooks being signed. That feeling, when it comes, these project ideas will tell you what is happening world over, and then you might suddenly realize, oh, this is something that even my area needs, but I've never thought of it. Or maybe, oh, this is a great idea, I should go back to I should do a need assessment for this project for my community. So there are such this wonderful tools that are available, and I will invite you and I will tell you where to find this. Retention is something that we lie and never think of. Now we have started thinking, Sanjay ji, fortunately. Service reporting. I'm sure this is something that your area must be doing, because you have such specific figures like 14.6 lakh and the number of projects that you have done, the number of beneficiaries. So I'm sure you must be definitely doing a lot of reporting and reporting well. However, for the incoming leaders, I would invite you all to please introduce your club officers to do this training online, to go and have a look at this resource that is available of how to be reporting your service online. And by reporting this, I don't know what is the total reporting world over this year, but I do remember that last year when we said we have already surpassed our target of people to be served, that that number we had surpassed only with 62% of reporting, and year before that it was only 57% of reporting. So even when with that little of reporting, अगर हम इतने सारे लोगों को serve कर रहे हैं, imagine when we are reporting 100%, people will be reporting their services. The numbers would be mind-boggling. The people, the lives that these are not only numbers. Please understand. चाहे हम जब रोजमर्रा की जिंदगी में when we are talking, oh, so many people served, so much money we got into LCIF, and so many members we recruited. You should think beyond these numbers when you're talking about it. When you're talking about the number of people served, it is not just the number of people served. It is the number of families and the hearts that you have touched. When you think of it this way, when you think of anything that you do for your community as leaving not a footprint is a bygone thing. When you're leaving heart prints on so many lives, that is what these numbers count. तो अब रिपोर्टिंग के ऊपर डेफिनेटली थोड़ा सा ज्यादा तवज्जो दीजिएगा. How many of you know about service journey? Service journey and service launchpad. If you know about service journey, kindly quickly write for me the 4 phases of service journey. And if you don't know, just say I know. That's fine. Okay. There are more no's than the phases, but service journey is one thing that we started, I think, almost 3 years back. Uh, when we spoke about LCI Forward, the next thing that we spoke about was for service journey. So it just tells you कि आपकी service journey कैसी होनी चाहिए. So it takes you to through 4 different phases of service journey. When it is first talks to you about learn what the project is going to be about, learn what are the needs of your society, learn about
आपके बैंक अकाउंट नहीं खोल रहा है मेरे पास नहीं इतना एटीएम है इतना ये है इतना एटीएम है क्या है आप बताइए
Thank you, whoever helped me. No, it's okay, it's fine. There is nothing about unfortunate. There is, it's always now. I totally believe Carpe Diem, conquer this moment. So from now on, it's it's better to be fooled, but just once. So there is always now. You did not know what you did not know, so you cannot say that you were ignorant, right? So here is a chance for all of us to evolve and all of us to, and I promise you that the way that you serve the society is definitely going to change. So this journey, the service journey, talks about the journey where it talks about learn, then it says discover, then it says act. Yani, see, it is all the steps of planning. So it says learn, discover, act, and most importantly, celebrate. It talks about even celebrating once you have established what you started to do. So these are the phases of any project that you take, and it is very important that you recognize, that you celebrate as a team, because when we are happy doing something, our mind is very gullible. बच्चे जैसा होता है. It wants to repeat. It always wants to repeat success. So when you celebrate whatever you have achieved, it wants to do it more. So you want to give back more to the society. So these are a few tools that are so very necessary, and see, yet of all these tools that are available to us, we know only one. So that's why learning is very, very important. Training is very, very important even to serve the society. Okay. Oh, I said this twice. How many of us are aware of the global causes? I think this a lot of people would be aware of. Are we aware of the global? Yes. Glad to hear that. No. Okay, Sanjay ji, no worry. We can always. So you can again go and search for global causes. So in the Mandira ji, here it is for you to take them through the tools for service. And even if you don't have a formal training, you can always train yourself. And here is where you will find all your resources. The service team toolbox. They have given you a whole toolbox, the global service team toolbox. And you see that in this toolbox, you have all those things that I spoke about and more. तो इसमें आपको करना बस यही है कि जाके उसके ऊपर क्लिक करेंगे, it will take you to another page where you can then self-inform yourself and learn about so many things that you are not aware of, how to best serve the community. Lions International is investing a lot in giving you the best tools and the best resources to enhance your experience of giving back to the community and the community's experience to have that interaction or that transaction with us Lions. And I invite you all to please concentrate on this training and that way transform the way that you're giving back to the community. So do you think we have some good takeaways from this small little talk that we had?
Very nice.
Yes or no?
Yes,
do we have some
absolutely.
takeaway? Oh, great.
Definitely, yes.
Yes, ma'am. We will speak after you complete.
Yes.
So even if you say there is a lot of takeaway, just takeaway is not enough. I want you to tell me that what is your way forward? What is the plan for your club now? What do you think you're going to do for your club? Just tell me in 1 or 2 words or one sentence. What is it that you're going to do now? you yourself and maybe for your club. Community assessment, that's a great thing. Thank you so much. A general lion, we may not be accessible to more. Why you're not access? Every lion has an access to this. How many of you already have a lion member portal login?
Done.
That's another one thing that you can do. So yes, please take this learning back, introduce your club to all these tools that are available, and at least one next project that you do, please do using the project planner. And that way, I think you will definitely benefit not only you, not only your club, not only your district, but actually the community as a whole. And please make a plan to educate your club members about how to serve better. See, all of us are here to give back to the society. We all want to give. Why not give it in an informed way? Why not we give it as a specialist? Why don't we be the masters of community service? And we have all the tools available to us. We just need to reach out, and we have all the things needed. If we want to do gardening, just the willingness to do gardening is not enough. You should know what what soil to use. You should know what the best seeds are. You should know how much to water the plant. You should know how much sunshine the plant needs. And for that, you require a little bit of training, and then you can do the best. Even for tree plantations, it's not just necessary to just take any tree and plant. Find out what the soil is made of, and only then that tree will grow. So this is my humble submission to you. I know all of you must have been doing great services, but now maybe we can do it in a more informed way. I hope I could give you some takeaways. I hope this will change the way that your district is going to be serving the society.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you very much, ma'am. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you very much, ma'am. Great.
Thank you,
great
madam.
session, ma'am.
I'll simply say that we thought we are the skilled lions to do service, but you have enlightened and awakened us to do more with a skilled attitude and with a teamwork in a proper planned manner. We are thankful that you have sharpened our tools, and we will definitely go to the website and see that each and every lion utilizes those services by Lions Clubs International. In our agenda, the next item is that response to the speech of keynote speaker by our past multiple council chairman and past district governor, Lion MP Agarwalji.
Thank you, Pankaj. Could you hear me?
Yes, yes.
District Governor Rajkumar ji, where trainer Ruchika Mehra ji, my dear Lion friends. Wow, it's a great evening, my dear friends. We have amongst us today Ruchika Mehra ji, and definitely she spoke about a lot of things. Service linked with training, management and leadership. In few words, he spoke everything about Lionism, about the services. What services we can give society, what is the need of the society, and what is the best way we can give the society the services. Definitely, Ruchika ji, our members, our leaders are enriched today with your small speech today. Definitely, we are enriched today. We are thankful to you for your wonderful, I must say, salt and sweet, knowledgeable speech today here. Once again, on behalf of District T22G, I'm thankful to you for amongst us today and giving your valuable time to be amongst us. Thank you.
Thank you, MP Agarwalji. Now, friends, though we have crossed and we will be celebrating 15 lakhs people served very soon with a bang, and I feel that lot of tasks are to be completed. I will request our district governor, one of the happiest person as a district governor, I believe, for creating and making so many records with our district 322G, taking our district to a greater height in all the fields of lionism, I will say. I request him to come up with his closing remarks.
Definitely. Thank you very much. Before my remarks, definitely we have with us our GLT leader and the past multiple council chairperson Mandiraji also we have. So definitely we want to listen some remarks regarding this webinar, as our MP Agarwalji has already spoken the very kind words. Definitely we want to listen our GLT leader Mandiraji. Mandiraji.
I will not take much of your time, Ringania ji, because Ruchita is, yes, I have met Ruchita in my Faculty Development Institute, and I have seen to be her a very dynamic lady and very, well organized, and she led us on in a very friendly way. And even now, we are together in the FDI forward group, and every day we are doing something or the other to move ahead in the leadership. So we want to learn more and want to become, more educated, and so that we can give something back to our district. And I can vouch to you, Ruchita, that, even if you ask Sangeeta or AP, they will tell you, Sangeeta calls our district the most educated Lions, because, because whenever they have this evaluations at the multiple level, most of the positions are backed by our district, best zone chairman, region chairman, president, secretary, treasurer, etc. So the main leaders that you see, most of them sitting here, they were also, some of them amongst them. Yes, we like to give the most we can, and we have actually a schedule set by the multiple GLT, Suraj Bagla. He is a multiple level GLT, and he gives us a guideline, a target for the entire year. And we have completed most of the targets. Only one is left, that is DLLI, and which we are going to complete immediately after the conference. Right now, everybody is very busy with the conference, and immediately after conference, we're going to complete the DLLI, and we're going to come out with the, the best district, hopefully, because we have completed all other targets. And as I told you, we were the first ones to complete 112 or something persons who have completed from my LLC.
Yeah. Yes, we are the first.
The first ones to complete the target from our district. We're very enthusiastic Lions in our district, so much eager to learn. And I'm very happy as a GLT that we have such enthusiastic Lions. Okay, go ahead, Governor.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you, as that we have broken all the records with the blessings of all our leaders here, ma'am. Definitely. And we have just in the GMT also, this year we have broken all the records. 19 new Lions Club, 15 new Leo clubs. So my request to Radha Madam, our GMT line Radhaji Agarwal with us. Definitely, madam, we want to listen you and your remarks regarding this webinar. Radha Madam, Vice Multiple Council Chairperson. And she is the awardee of Ambassador of Goodwill Award. Radhaji, please.
I think she's not there on the seat now.
Okay. Anyway, thank you very much. Thank you very much. Regarding this, what to say about this evening, man? This is great. Always. जो कहते हैं कि आप आए बाहर आई, आपने हमारी डिस्ट्रिक्ट के अंदर, your presence is our pride. Thank you very much for your kind presence and your kind, wonderful. That is always you are the leader of leaders. That I say that because I have seen. Because I have already in the ALLI at Sri Lanka, I have seen your activities, and that with the blessing that today you are in front of all the district leaders, all our Lions leaders. Thank you very much. Keep blessings with us and be always with us. And this year I want to share something that because in ALLI, your candidate is with us already, our zone chairperson and Lions quiz chairperson, Lion Vandana Bagadia, will be our candidate for ALLI this year. So definitely she will meet you at the program, yeah, and definitely in every year, like your blessings and love, that we are always that happy, and in time to come, definitely we want to see in our district in person, and hope that might be. I will talk tomorrow with you if possible on 17 or 18. Our district conference is there. If you give permission in front of the leaders, I am asking the invitation that regarding that, if you allow me and if you that think that is okay, so definitely we want to see on 17th on the inauguration session of our district conference. Thank you very much.
I've just shared the link to all the resources that I had talked about.
Absolutely.
Okay.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Over to
So,
Pankaj.
Madam, I am feeling one thing, that today you have taken the session very nicely, wisely, and made us so many informative things. But I personally think the time was too short for we, the lions of this district, 322G. I will see that in future. Recently, it may not be possible after the conference. We think that at least 2-3 hours session with you will be more beneficial, because the way you have taken us to the pinpoint things has not only touched our soul, but it also has won our hearts, madam. I can simply say that our slogan of the district is win the heart. Definitely, madam, you have win the heart of each and every lion. I would like to see many more lions to join in the coming session, which may be in the month of May, so that we can be more informed and we can be more polished, because service is not that we should do it abruptly, just knowing without anything. It should be properly planned, as informed by you, properly executed, and also to be celebrated. With these words, I thank you, ma'am, from core of our heart, and also from each and every lion of our district. I'll request our Cabinet Secretary, Lion Rishabh Lodha, to please offer formal vote of thanks. Rishabhji, over to you.
Thank you, Pankaj, for giving me an opportunity to propose vote of thanks. Well, it's indeed a great pleasure to propose vote of thanks on this great occasion when we have between us a very prominent and popular lion personality and a very lion trainer from Amchi, Mumbai, Madam Ruchita Mehra. Dear Madam, I on behalf of entire district 322G would like to extend a very hearty and profound thanks to you, Madam, for sharing your valuable time and sharing your valuable thoughts, ideas, notions, and inspiring us all with your warm presence. Madam, you rightly said, before we start to do any surveys in a better way, we need to have a perfect training on how to serve in such a more effective way in these changing times. आपने बिल्कुल सही कहा मैडम, आज के दौर में एक अच्छी सर्विस करने के लिए, सेवा करने के लिए एक अच्छी ट्रेनिंग की भी बहुत जरूरत है, और इसके बारे में हमने आपसे जाना. We need to be masters, you rightly said, we need to be specialists in service, and for all that we need to have a bit of training. Thank you so much, madam, for all the wonderful inputs and learning about how we can do service more effectively in this 21st century. Thank you so much, ma'am, for sparing your valuable time for we Lions of District 322G. Thank you so much, madam. I would also like to propose my heartfelt thanks to our district coordinator, GST coordinator, Lion Pankaj, for successfully conducting this 10th GST webinar in such a smooth manner. I would also like to extend my heartfelt thanks to our district governor, both our white district governors, all our part district governors, all line leaders, all the Lions and Leos who are present here and who have made this webinar successful with their warm presence. Thank you so much, everyone. We will be back with our 11th edition of GST webinar next month with another eminent speaker within the country or outside the country. Till then, goodbye and good night.